Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Emma, and today we are going to talk about shopping at a store.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi Emma,
Hi, Daniel.
how are you today?
I am good. How are you?
I am great.
That is nice to hear.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I do.
What do you like to buy?
I like to buy clothes and snacks.
That sounds fun.
What do you like to buy?
I like to buy books and food.
Very nice.
Do you go shopping every day?
No, not every day.
How often do you go?
Maybe once or twice a week.
That is a good schedule.
Yes, I think so.
Where do you usually shop?
I usually shop at a store near my house.
Is it a big store?
Yes, it is quite big.
What can you buy there?
You can buy food, drinks, clothes, and many other things.
Wow!
Yes, it has many items.
Do you like big stores?
Yes, because they have many choices.
I agree.
Small stores are nice too.
That is true.
They can be quiet and friendly.
When do you usually go shopping?
I usually go on Saturday
Why Saturday?
because I am free.
That makes sense.
What about you?
I often shop on Sunday.
Nice.
Do you make a shopping list?
Yes, always.
Is it helpful?
Very helpful.
Why?
It helps me remember what I need.
Good idea.
Do you use a list?
Yes, sometimes.
Does it save time?
Yes, it does.
Great.
What is the first thing you do in a store?
I get a shopping basket.
Then what?
I look at my list.
Very organized.
Thank you.
Do you compare prices?
Yes, I do.
Why?
I want to save money.
That is smart.
Thank you.
What food do you buy often?
Bread, milk, eggs, and fruit.
Healthy choices.
I try my best.
Do you buy vegetables too?
Yes, every week.
Which vegetables do you like?
I like carrots and tomatoes.
Nice.
What food do you buy?
Rice, chicken, and apples.
That sounds good.
Do you ever forget something?
Yes, sometimes.
Me too.
It happens to everyone.
Have you ever bought too much?
Yes.
Really?
Yes, especially snacks.
That sounds funny.
It is.
What snacks do you like?
Chips and cookies.
Very popular snacks.
Yes, they are.
Do you use cash or a card?
Usually a card.
Same here.
It is easy.
Do you talk to store workers?
Yes, sometimes.
What do you ask?
I ask where things are.
That is useful.
Yes,
Have store workers helped you before?
many times.
That is great.
They are often very kind.
I agree.
Good service is important.
Let's talk about useful English.
Great idea.
A common sentence is, where is the milk?
Yes, many people use it in stores.
Another sentence is, how much is this?
That is very useful.
It helps you ask about price.
Exactly.
Let's give an example.
Sure.
How much is this shirt?
It is $10.
Easy and useful.
Very easy.
Another sentence is, can you help me?
That is important.
Why?
Because sometimes we cannot find an item.
Good point.
Store workers can help.
Let's learn a few words.
Sounds good.
Basket,
A basket is something you carry in a store.
cart,
A cart is bigger than a basket.
price,
Price is the cost of something.
receipt.
A receipt is the paper you get after paying.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Let's talk about grammar.
Okay,
We can say, I buy food.
that is present tense.
Yes.
It talks about now or a habit.
We can also say, I bought food.
That is past tense.
Right.
Buy becomes bought. That is an irregular verb. Yes. Can you give another example? I buy apples every week. Good. Yesterday, I bought apples. Perfect. Thank you. Let's learn pronunciation. Great. The word price. Price.
One syllable.
Price.
Very good.
Thank you.
Another word is store.
Store.
Nice and clear.
Store.
Excellent.
English practice is important.
I agree.
Small practice every day helps a lot. What about self-checkout machines? I use them sometimes.
Are they easy?
Yes, usually.
Do you prefer them?
Sometimes.
Why?
They can be fast.
Good point.
But I also like talking to people.
Me too.
Human interaction is nice.
Do you shop online?
Yes, sometimes.
Which do you prefer?
I prefer stores.
Why?
I can see the items before buying.
That is true.
What do you prefer?
I also prefer stores.
Nice.
Listeners, what do you prefer?
Shopping online or shopping at a store?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to read it.
Have you ever looked for a product and could not find it?
Yes, many times.
What did you do?
I asked a worker.
Good solution.
Yes,
Do you like sales?
of course.
Me too.
Saving money feels good.
What is a sale?
A sale means lower prices.
Very good explanation.
Thank you.
Do you check prices before buying?
Yes, always.
That is smart.
It helps me stay on budget.
Another useful sentence is, do you have this in another size?
Very useful for clothes shopping.
Exactly.
Many people use that sentence.
Can you give an example?
Do you have this in another size?
Yes, we do.
Simple and useful.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you for supporting the channel.
Emma, what is your favorite thing about shopping?
Finding something I really need.
Nice answer.
What about you?
I enjoy finding a good book.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, it is.
Shopping can be enjoyable.
It can also be practical.
That is true.
We buy things we need.
And sometimes things we want.
Exactly.
Balance is important.
Very important.
Before we finish, let's review.
Good idea.
We learned useful store vocabulary.
Basket, cart, price, and receipt.
We learned useful sentences. How much is this? Can you help me?
Where's the milk?
Do you have this in another size?
We also learned buy and bought.
Present tense and past tense.
Great job.
Thank you.
One more question for our listeners.
What do you usually buy at a store?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We look forward to reading your answers.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye everyone.
Bye.